NCEA Chinese Level 2, Characters and Compounds, Unit 9, brought to you by NZ Chinese Classroom. 大家好，我是安利老师. Just a few reminders before you start. Make sure that you work at your own pace. Stop the video if you need to. Repeat after me to practice your tones and pronunciation. This is really important. Make sure that you stop the recording and repeat after me. Do it. Okay, and write some notes about the characters, radicals, or sentences so you can remember them later. And write down any questions that you have, any things that you're not quite sure about so that you can talk to your teacher. 我们开始吧. 好. So you might remember this character is made up of two radicals. We have a woman radical and the son. So a woman and her son is a good thing. 好, good. 好看, good looking. 你的大衣很好看，很喜欢。你的大衣, your jacket, your coat is very good looking. I really like it. 好玩, good fun. 我觉得打篮球很好玩，你呢? I think that playing basketball is good fun. And you? 你呢? 下一个，好吃 good to eat, delicious, tasty, yum. 因为饺子很好吃，所以我喜欢中国菜。是什么意思? Because dumplings are very tasty, so I like Chinese food. 好学. Okay, 好, good, study. So this actually means studious or diligent. 她很好学，成绩很好. So she is very diligent. Her grades are very good. So this is an adjective. You can describe a person as 好学. Very diligent, studious. Okay, 好. This is a word for number or date. For example, 今天几月几号? What date is it today? What month? What day? 今天4月3号. So often this 好 is used in spoken Chinese, but when you would write the date, you would write the 日, the sun, instead of this 好. 号码 is a number. 你的电话号码是多少? What is your phone number? So literally your phone number is how much, how many. So you would say 我的电话号码是 and then say the numbers in Chinese individually. Okay, 和 and. But there's a couple of other compounds in here that are a bit interesting. Here we go. 我和爸爸一起去了公园. Me and my father together went to the park. Okay, so this 和, remember, only joins two nouns. It doesn't join two phrases. So you can't say 我喜欢打乒乓球和明天我想去打乒乓球. So in English, I like playing table tennis and tomorrow I'm going to play table tennis. So we can't join those two phrases with 和. You can only join two nouns. I like 苹果和西瓜. I like apples and watermelons. Okay, be careful about that one when you're doing your writing. Here we go. 我喜欢吃饺子、包子和鸡肉. So in a list, you can use this one, the 和 before the last one, just as in English. 我喜欢 eating. I like eating dumplings, 包子, and chicken. Okay, 和平. 和平 means peace or peaceful. 平 means level. Okay, 大家都希望世界和平. So this one's a bit difficult. So everyone, all hopes, 希望 is hopes. 世界 world, 和平. Everyone hopes for world peace. Okay, 暖和. So this 和 has got a different pronunciation. It is 和, 暖和. You can see on the left-hand side of this 暖, we have the sun radical. So that 暖和 means warm. So the sun is warm. Okay, 今天有点冷，穿毛衣会比较暖和. So today it's a little bit cold. So wearing a jersey or jumper can be comparatively warm. Okay. 黑 He means black. So you might notice these 4 water radical droplets at the bottom. That is from the ink. So ink is watery, and ink is always black. So he with the water radical at the bottom. 你喜欢穿什么颜色的衣服? What color clothes do you like to wear? 我喜欢黑色的衣服. Or you could say 我喜欢黑衣服. Or 我喜欢穿黑衣服. So the difference here, whether we say 黑色的衣服, is the amount of syllables we have. So if we say black colored clothes, 黑色 is 2 syllables, so we need the d before the noun. However, 黑 by itself still means black, but it's only 1 syllable, so we don't need the d before the 衣服. 黑衣服. 黑板, a black board. You might remember 板球, cricket. So the board ball, so black board. What is a whiteboard? It's a 白板. Cool. So 黑板, 小明请在黑板上写一下你的名字. 小明, please, on the whiteboard, write your name real quick. So the 写一下, a little bit, write quickly. Okay. 后, for example, something 的时候, when it's, for example, 生日的时候, 我喜欢吃蛋糕. So when it's birthday time, when it's time for birthdays, I like eating cake. 气候, climate. 基督城的气候很好，不冷也不热. Christchurch's climate is very good. It's not cold and it's also not hot. 下一个，什么时候? Question word / question phrase. This means when. 你什么时候想去中国? When do you want to go to China? 我秋天的时候想去. When it's autumn, I would like to go. I would like to go when it's autumn. Okay, 时候 is a period, a point in time. 现在是时候买房子吗? Is now the time to buy a house? 你知道吗? 我不知道. Okay, 花. We have 2 meanings here. The first one is a flower. As you can see, we've got the... what radical? The grass radical or the plant radical on top. So something to do with plants. So flowers. 你最喜欢什么颜色的花? You most like which colored flower? 我最喜欢紫色的花. I most like purple ones, or I most like purple flowers. The 花 is optional. Okay, 花园, garden, flower garden. 你的花园很漂亮，有很多花. Your garden is very beautiful. It has a lot of flowers. Okay, 花 also means to spend. So we can 花钱, spend money. 我昨天去了商场，花了很多钱. So this is a verb object. So in this case it means yesterday I went to the mall and I spent a lot of money. 花时间. So as in English we can also spend time. 花时间. So this is a period of time. 只有花时间才可以学会汉语. Pause the recording and have a think about what this sentence means. So this is a little bit hard to translate into normal English, so let's have a go. So 只有花时间. You only need to spend time 才可以学会汉语. Then, just then, you can 学会 means to master 汉语 Chinese. So you have to spend time in order to be able to master Chinese. 懂了吗? Okay, it's a little bit difficult. 下一个, to follow up, write down any questions that you have, get onto Quizlet, make sure you do this, otherwise those words are just going to go right out of your brain again. Complete the reading activities for this week and write really clear answers. Just imagine you're sitting your NCEA exam, so write detailed answers. And complete the grammar activities for this week and the unit test. Okay, until next time, 再见.